How to find the Swift code of your Scotiabank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find the Swift code of your Scotiabank. So to do that, first of all, go to this website right over here. I'll also leave the link in the description. You can simply open it from there. Now once you're on this website, simply scroll down until you see the option find a Swift code. There where it says select a country, simply type in Canada. After that, where it says select a bank, simply type in Scotia, and then choose the option the Bank of Nova Scotia, also known as Scotiabank. Now if you want, you can select a city, but if you don't, simply tap on the option find Swift code, as the Swift code of any Scotiabank in the entirety of Canada is basically the same. So as you can see, this right over here is the Swift code of your Scotiabank, so you can simply copy it from here. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.